How to change the oil on a Toyota Rav4. This is a 2003 model with a diesel engine. Pop the hood. Underneath the car, locate the drain plug, and you want to use a 14mm wrench. Drain out all the oil. The oil filter is right there, but you first have to remove a plastic shield. Which is this one. And now you have access to remove the oil filter. You need an oil filter strap tool and just remove it, or if it's cooled down enough, you can just put a screwdriver through it and use that to remove it. Having no special tool, I just got an awl. I just hammered it in. Then I'm gonna use it as leverage to unscrew the oil filter. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that. Get your new oil filter. Get a little bit of fresh oil and put it on the gasket and screw it back. The packaging said that you have to turn it 3/4 after the gasket made contact with the oil filter holder. You have to turn it 3 more quarters. Make sure it's nice and snugged up with your hand. Then take your plug, retighten the plug, put the plastic shield back on and tighten it up. Now it's time to add the new oil in. This is the engine oil cap. Just unscrew it. Get a funnel and put the new oil in. After you've added your oil, make sure you've added enough. Check your dipstick. Make sure it's between the lines towards the full mark. Take your cap. Don't forget to put it back on. That's it. Okay, hope it helped. Bye.